All right, man. Am I ready? Hold on. I'm not ready. Just woke up and working on the daily. I'm about to do that right now. Let me get ready. All right, here we go. LeetCode daily first. Sergeant Pepper, welcome to the party. Not first. All right. Hamdi 1010, how are you doing? What are we trying to do? We're trying to do LeetCode. I also have to bring up my YouTube chat and my activity feed. Dang, 2 years. Dang, that's a long time. Can't believe I've been streaming so long. And I've just been doing LeetCode all this time. All right, here we go. Daily problem, longest nice subarray. You're given an array nums consisting of positive integers. We call a subarray of nums nice if the bitwise AND of every pair of elements that are in different positions in the subarray is equal to 0. Return the length of the longest nice subarray. What the hell are you talking about, man? Michael Sarfo from YouTube, how are you doing? Welcome to the party. I have a question. What's your question, man? Pseudo, please. How are you doing? Very nice. All right, let me try and science this out before I go back to trying to figure out how to compile C++. So I say the longest nice subarray is 3/848. 3 and 0. Huh. I guess. Alright. I'm thinking what it means is the longest subarray of length more than 2, well, the longest subarray with no repeated bits. That's what I think this question is asking. I think it's really just checking that we don't use the same bits in any of the numbers in the subarray. So like this, they say 3/848. I'll write the bits out and I'll just verify that's true. So Michael Sarfo says, do you think it's better to learn through creating projects or following courses? I've been trying to learn front-end stuff through the Odin project, but it's insanely long. I don't do courses, man. I'm not gonna lie. So I've tried courses, but I get bored and I lose interest and I never finish any of them. But when I'm creating projects that I care about, I'm more likely to want to finish it. And instead of looking up like a tutorial for the whole project, I look up tutorials for subparts of my project. So if you're building a project and you have something in mind, something, whatever it could be, I don't know, a note-taking app or whatever. Probably something a bit more complicated than that. But maybe you might need authentication, so maybe you can look up a tutorial on how to build some authentication, or maybe even that's too big. Maybe you need to, if you're an absolute beginner, perhaps you need to start a lot smaller and like you look up a tutorial how to build a post request or something, how to make a HTML form and send data to a server or something. Maybe you can look up something that simple and then try and apply what you learned there into whatever you want to build, you know? So you're not following like a list of directions the whole time, but you learn how to do one thing and then you apply that to whatever project you're working on. That's how I usually operate, but I don't know if that's the best way, you know? How many channel points to max out with Pat Bobby Blue? What's happening? I don't know, man. I need like 10 million channel points to do that. Might take do a course. If you have no clue, then build stuff you want to build and use AI to teach you new bits and bobs along the way. Yeah, that could be one way to do it. Yeah, if you absolutely have no clue, then yeah, maybe you probably need some type of guidance, you know. So that's how I think about that. But you know, when I learned how to program, there weren't that many tutorials online like there are today. And I just kind of, there's still YouTube courses and whatnot, but they weren't polished and they weren't very like high production quality, man. So I started out just by watching people code on YouTube, explaining some, you know, simple things, and I just took that and I ran with it. So I didn't really follow a particular course from front to end or end to end course. I just looked up like very specific things. Like maybe if I'm like how to center a div, you know, or how to make an image change the size or whatever. And then I just Google everything. Maybe nowadays you can ask AI, but I'd be careful with AI, I think, because you don't know when it's giving you garbage or something wrong. And you could be stuck for a long time because the AI gave you some incorrect code. Anyways, here we go. Longest nice subarray. So I say this one is 3848. Let me do some things here. Let me put these bits. So how many bits do we need? Maybe 32, 16, 8. So these are all the bits. So 3 would look like 1, 1. 8 would just be like that. And then 48 would just be like that. So in every bit position, there's only 1 bit. So yeah, I do think that's how you solve the problem. Because if we had 2 bits in any place, then when you compare those pairs of numbers, these 2 would evaluate to 1, which would be a set bit in that position, and it wouldn't be 0. Saddam from YouTube, what's happening? And Alpha Diallo, how are you doing? I feel like I learn better through doing my own research and watching videos. Yeah, nice. But I think the most important thing is you got to be consistent with your studies, and you got to practice, or you got to keep working on it, man. The moment you take like a week off and you don't go back, it's gonna be months before you touch it again, you know. Not able to understand what the problem is asking based on the given example. Yeah, well, it's asking, I think it's asking the longest subarray where every number in the subarray only sets each, the total set bits is just 1 for every bit position. I don't know if I said that clearly. Hey Simon, do you offer or have you thought of offering mock interview style, LeetCode style? I don't offer it officially, but I have given them to people in chat before, but it's not something that I sell or advertise, man. But if you are a regular viewer here and you reach out to me and you want a mock interview, I'd be happy to try and accommodate you. Whether it's live on stream or like a private session or something. Of course, I'm not going to be doing it all the time, man. This is like it's depending on my mood, right? I don't even know if I'm allowed to do it officially because of my job. Anyways, time to max out with Pat. Steven Sagaball, how are you doing, man? Are you still over there, or have you come back? All right, here we go, man. Let me just implement this. DeLorean is back. How are you doing? Welcome. Merry Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas to you. So I'm gonna do the sliding window. Let me see how big the numbers are. 1 billion. So how many bits do I need for 1 billion? Probably like 31 bits. I don't know if that's true, but I'll just do 32 for good luck. I even need to set 0 there. So I'm gonna use this to keep track of each bit position and how many bits are set in that subarray. And I'm just gonna do a sliding window. And my sliding window is a little bit bootleg, but I think it's alright for me. I think most people use a for loop for their sliding windows, but I haven't really modified my sliding windows since the very first day I started LeetCoding, you know. Yeah, let me get this done real quick, man, because we got bigger things to do than LeetCode today. So what am I doing? My sliding window goes like this. The first thing I do is I process the right pointer or whatever. So that means I'm like adding all those bits. So maybe I should make a function to add bits or something. Add, subtract, whatever. How are we gonna do that? Maybe we have the number, and I guess we'll just use a multiplier or something to do like negative, positive, you know, in case I need to add or subtract bits. Maybe add bits is not the right name, but it ain't that serious out here, man. All right, how are we gonna add these bits? So maybe like this. The current bit is gonna be, maybe I should just call this I. X and 1. Is this a 1D DP problem? I don't think so. I don't think it's DP. I think it's sliding window. Wait, what am I doing? I'm trying to add these bits, man. So this would tell me if that bit is set, the rightmost bit is set. Yeah, and then now I want to add it like that, I suppose, plus equals to bit. So if this is not set, this will be 0 and this won't do anything. And if it is set, then this will be 1 and we're gonna add 1 to the thing, or subtract 1. Maybe I should do bit times mults. So if I want to subtract, I'll just send a -1 there. And then I gotta increase I, and that's it, right? I don't know. So, all right, let me try and use this function here. So to process the right pointer, I'm just gonna be like, add bits, what's the thing called? Nums R. And then, I guess we want to shrink the window. So maybe we can say while Maybe I'll make a function called not good, or yeah, is not good. Not good sounds alright to me. So I'm making this function called not good, and what does it do? It's just going to iterate over all the bits and then if any of them is greater than 1, it's not good, because that means we got two numbers that are setting that particular bit. Yeah, so we're gonna say while those things are not good, then we want to shrink the window. Oh, I forgot to put my multiplier there. So this is like shrinking the window. And then after this while loop runs, then whatever we have here should be good. So is it like that? That's like the length of the thing, I hope. I only know that because I do my sliding window like this all the time. Alright, let's see. I don't know if this is right, man. This might not be correct. Oh, sorry, I didn't see these chats. Been following you for a minute thanks to Raymond Jones's channel. I was really struggling around DP concepts and your channel was a lifesaver. Dang, for real? I'd totally love to reach out for a mock session. Yeah. I guess you can message me on YouTube or whatever. I've done only a few mocks. I think Bobby Blue got one of them. Who else? I'm giving mock interviews every week at work. I'm in this program where we pair up with some students. So I have one student for the next 10 weeks and I'm going to be teaching them algorithms. I'm so excited. I'm sad it's only one person though. But anyways, maybe that will like get me to finish selecting my problem list and writing some articles about all the patterns, you know. Hepta5, how you doing? Can you please tell the stock market to stop going down? Man, I don't know anything about that, man. I actually sold a bunch of my stuff. I got shaken out, man. I know they're trying to shake everybody out and I got shooked, but I didn't sell everything, only a small. I only took a little bit of profits. Bring the big whip? What you talking about, man? Brett, what's happening? You're going to teach? Yeah, very cool. Yeah, I'm super excited. I think I'm more excited to teach this one student of mine than I am to do my actual work, you know. I told them about this channel. I don't know if they'll tune in, but if they do, that's pretty cool. Stop preparing for your interview at Meta? What are you talking about, man? I'm not prepared for anything. I just started the MIT course on algorithms on YouTube. They have it for free. Yeah, I think when I first started learning, I also watched some of those MIT courses, but man, I don't think I've ever made it to the end of one of those courses. I always exit and I get bored and I just do something else. So the information is probably really good, but man, it is hard to watch. I'm not gonna lie. As a regular person, you know, maybe if you're super motivated or something, you'll be able to get through those things. But geez, it's tough. Salesforce is hiring like 50 new grad hires. I remember we used to hire 1,000. Dang. Like we aren't going to hire any. Yeah, we haven't had any new people join in a long time in my org. Wait, should I run this? I didn't even hit run. I feel the future of big tech will be senior engineers augmented with AI and zero entry level. Nah, there's still, alright, even though we haven't been hiring much, I do think people who get internships and convert as interns are the most likely It's like the most likely path to get hired at like a big tech company currently, I think, as a new grad. If you just get in through the internships. Wait, what's going on here, man? Did I do something crazy? How is this not working? Oh, come on, man. Come on. Should I divide or should I shift it? Well, something still ain't right. Hold on. How's this tripping like that, man? I thought my code was gonna be alright, but maybe not. Is that shifting it the right way? I mean, that's not gonna change anything because it looks like this L is going out of range or something, right? Nah, something ain't right now for sure. Divide makes your intent clear. Optimizer will figure out the tricks. Well, what is my intent to divide? I think my intent is like to shift the bits to like get the next bit. I don't know. I think that's, but I'll just leave it as divide. Or shift, whichever one works, man. But where am I messing up? I need to learn how to debug better with my eyeballs. So right now, like for sure, this is going out of bounds, right? But it should not be possible to go out of bounds because it should be good. This is not good. I don't know where I'm messing up. Wait, I haven't watched. Oh, Sergeant Pepper. Yeah, you're talking about those lectures. Oh shit! Sorry, I missed your messages again. You're a trailblazer, dang. You're hyping me up right now, man. We'll definitely shoot you a message on YouTube in the coming days or week. Very cool. I'll be looking out for it. It's a good problem to practice your bit stuff. Man, Brett, I thought I had this money in the bank, you know, but what is going on here? Can you explain your solution? Yes, I can. I'm doing sliding window and I'm growing the window. Well, I'm always growing the window. And then I'm shrinking the window while more than one bit position like there's more than one bit set at each position or at any position. But I think that's how you solve it, but I'm having implementation trouble, which is what got me on the last contest too. Q Ultimus in the house, what's happening? So it's clearly some silly bug, man, because where's my add bits? Oh, so I send a number and then I'm adding those bits to my vector of bits, and there's 32 bits in there, bit positions, and then this multiplier is whether we add or subtract. I don't know. Should I rename it to arithmetic the bits or something? So that's what I was trying to do. But something ain't right. I'm trying to just, maybe I should just see what the hell's going on. Is it in here or is it in there, you know? All right. So how the hell is it going? Man, that should not be possible. Let me think. All right, here we go, here we go. I'm just going to print my bits. Hey, look at that. How am I gonna get negative bits, man? That doesn't make any sense. You know? Clearly something ain't right there. Alright, so I probably grow... I don't know what this is. 0. Anyways. Something for sure. It's not looking good. One. All right, let me think. So if this bit is set, I'm adding it. Struggling out here. So 1 would just be that first bit. 3 would like add. Wait. I feel like I'm doing something silly. Let me think. After that 0, that's supposed to be subtracting it. I can't see anything, man. But this is how I did so terrible on over the weekend on the contest. I just couldn't figure out my bugs. Just writing sloppy code these days. Saidman56, thank you very much for the follow. My kid is gonna need a new teacher at this rate. Yeah. Oh lordy. Good thing he's not paying for it, you know. He's getting it for free. Alright, let's see what the hell. Look, adding 1, then subtracting 1. Then it's, why is it subtracting 3, man? This is supposed to be good. So why is it, you know, I don't get it, man. Did I put while not good? Yeah. So I'm it's racing over the bits. Yes. Jesus Christ, Brett. How long did we waste there? Come on, man. Oh, is it right or is it not right? Man, they're tripping now. Alright. I would have thought this would pass, but maybe not, maybe not. Maybe I gotta do something else to it. Because I'm like checking it too many times maybe. Is Python or C++ better for LeetCode? It's up to whichever one you know better. Hope to be good as Pat one day. Bet simp, what's happening? Yeah, me too, man. Oh, I still have this dang C out in there, that's why. Jesus Christ. I was about to say. I was about to optimize that shit, man. I was like, no way that failed. I can't believe it. I was like, are my calculations that wrong? But it was just because I had that C out in there. I was starting to think maybe there's a way I can not have to iterate over every bit to check if it's not good. I was gonna start counting every time I went over one bit set. I was gonna start counting how many bits are over 2. And then instead of doing while not good, I'd be like, while that over 2 count is greater than 0, then we start subtracting bits. And every time, yeah, that's what I was gonna do, but clearly not necessary, man. All right, Brett, let me see what you're talking about. Pixel Pusher, what's happening? Oh, lordy. What is this? Algorithm find out there's a better way to use bitwise operations. Yeah, I know it's XOR, right? But let me try to think about what the heck is going on here, man. So M, I don't know what M is, but it looks like... Oh, this is your right pointer. This is the value. Looks like M is just all the bits, and then you add them to set those bits. And it's basically saying, wait, what are you saying? Mask. Interesting. You XOR the left. This is shrinking, right? Does V and M share any set bits? I see. Yeah. That's what it's saying. And if they do, that's how you know that multiple set bits are about to be added. Yes. I see that now. Yeah, M is like my bit vector. So the difference is M can only count up to 1 bit, and my bit vector can count up to 2 billion bits, which is super unnecessary since we only need to know if we're setting 2 or more bits. That's why we can use a mask that is just an integer instead, since an integer can hold 1 set bit. Right, I see how it works. Very cool. But yeah, I'm not that great at seeing or effectively using like the ANDs and the XORs. And there's other ones too, like the squiggly line one. I don't even know what they're called, man. I know there's, wait, all the bit operations. There's a squiggly line, there's a caret, there's the AND, bitwise not, that's what it's called. Yeah, I don't even really know anything about that one. Oh, then there's OR. What other bitwise operations do we have? These are the only 2 I know. Well, I guess I know OR. Shifts. Oh yeah, we got shifts. I know how to do those. So I guess I know all the operations except the squiggly line. They're all bitwise, but that one especially. Where is NOR? What the heck is NOR, man? Never heard of it. A pixel or pixel pusher. Oh wait, man, U and Q Ultimo's got the same green name. on my screen at least. And I thought you were the one who said, where is nor? I was about to say, how do you know about nor? So let me ask you, Q Ultimus. How the heck do you know what a nor is? I've never heard of it in my life. Where do you hear it? Like, is this something you learn in school? I mean, I know what it means in English, kind of. I don't even. When do you use nor? It's like either or, neither nor, right? That's the only time you use nors in English, I think. Nor is less intuitive, but if I recall correctly, it takes one fewer transistors to implement the gates. Yeah, you already lost me, man. I don't know anything about electricity and electronics. You learn about logic gates, NAND or NOR. Yeah, I think I've seen NAND around, but I couldn't tell you what it means. We built a CPU mechanically and learned all about truth tables. NOR is not OR. Wait. NOR is not OR. NOR is for making soup broth. Man, I see that in the supermarkets, Sergeant Pepper. I think competitive programming guidebook goes over it as well. I probably didn't remember that part. Alright. Well, now that you know what NOR is, can you guess what NAND is? Not AND? Wait, if it's not AND, what does that... That means it's or it's not nothing. Or it's zero, right? I don't know. Not and wait, not a and cool guy. I don't know. I found that so funny. Which is the same as not A and not B. All right. Getting confused with all these bitwise operators now. So, all right. What do y'all think this week is gonna be for LeetCode topic? Do you think it's gonna be focused on bits, or do you think it's gonna be focused on sliding windows this week, man? Time will tell. You don't have to answer it, but just something to think about. Let me check if you did the adder AOC problem. I don't... Adder... Which problem was that? From last year? I didn't even do much AOC. Oh, Gim says it's going to be a sliding window this week. Well... This was binary search. We'll see. Alright, is it time to move on from LeetCode and try and do some C++, man? Oh, so, all right. I tried to do blossoming petals. What's happening? Welcome to the party. I want another cocoa week. Yeah, binary search is fun. What's happened? Cabbage. Yesterday and today both list bit manipulation in the topic. Yes? Oh, I didn't do yesterday's. Alright, so Brett thinks it's gonna be a bit manipulation week. Brett has good intuition. Maybe he's right. But let me double check that, man. It's an easy problem. Bit manipulation. Divide array into equal parts. You're given an integer array nums consisting of 2 times n integers. You need to divide nums into n pairs such that each element belongs to exactly one pair. The elements present in a pair are equal. Oh, snap. You know, Brett, if you had not said this problem could be solved with bit manipulation, I don't think it would have even crossed my mind that you can do that. The first thing I thought about to solve this problem was to just count all the numbers and check that the frequency of each number is even. But clearly, you can also, I'm going to use M for mask. You can also just bitwise and every number and then return if everything zeroes out, right? Which is a lot. Well, no, it's not true. Wait, not equal to 0. Is that right? Or am I tripping? No. Alright. It's not. Alright. Maybe it's something else. Hold on. Because if you AND things. Oh yeah, sorry. Yes, Q, you're right. I was about to say, if you AND things, they don't cancel out. It's the XOR that does it. I don't know what's wrong with me today, man. I should have known that. I'm a little bit embarrassed. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, I still don't know how to do it. Oh, because they got zeros in the answer. So, oh, I learned this trick. I learned this trick, man. Where you just add 1 to everything. I learned this a long time ago. Just make sure it doesn't. Let's see if it works before. No, that doesn't work either. What the hell? Why doesn't that work? Wait. Wait, how the hell do you do this with bit manipulation? Doesn't work for this problem because numbers can flip other numbers' bits. But man, this is like really close though. 133 out of 134, and this is the only thing that didn't pass. But yeah. So 2. Wait, a set of numbers can cancel out to 0 with purely unique numbers. Interesting. I suggest a bit set and use flip. Wait, I think the set bit manipulation, since you could use a bit set instead of a frequency map. Huh. Alright. Well, this idea I thought of does not work then. So maybe that bit manipulation thing threw me off. If nums 1, 2, 3, 4 return false, yeah, should I do that? Nah, we don't have to do that. In Python, it works if you shift it 1 to the left. Interesting. I mean, I think it would work. Wait. 1 shifted? No, that's no. That's way too big, yeah. Because 1 shifted to the X, man, that's gonna be like shifted 500 times. Anyways, I was just curious to see what we could have used. Yeah, bit set, but now the problem isn't as interesting, I suppose. Wait, is it the same? Is it the same that we're just counting anyways, I got C++ WebSockets to build, man. I don't have time for that LeetCode stuff. I don't want to get sucked into it. So last time I tried to do something like building C++, I couldn't even get it to compile, man. This is my first time attempting to build something outside of work with C++. So at work, we have a lot of internal tooling and just press the button and it compiles. But that's not how real life is with C++, man. So I struggled a lot last week trying to just use this library in a simple hello world WebSockets server application like this. I couldn't even get this to work, man. And did you install Visual Studio or are you sticking to WSL? No, Icy Black Deep, I'm not sticking to WSL, man. I'm about to install Visual Studio Community Edition. No massive header in the README about compiling for Windows. No. Why sockets? Because I want to learn how to do some socket stuff, and I don't know. It's a lot cooler than HTTP requests. Yeah. I wanna build like. Well, this is all going towards doing type racer type game. Where, yeah, maybe we don't need sockets, we could do polling or something. But man, I just want that live feel to the game, you know? So that's why I'm using sockets here. And I want to do it in C++ because I want the most performance possible on the back end, just to see how performant. I don't have good reasons, man. I just want to build something in C++. I can post the jank I did to compile for Windows in Discord then. Oh, Icy Black Deep. Thank you. With Socket.io. Yeah, no, Sgt. Pepper. I don't want to use anything but C++. So these people make some wild claims. Let me try and find the claims here. They claim basically that this is way faster than everything out there by far. Where they benchmark, man, where are the why they got so many links? Oh look, they even compared it to Socket.io, man. Look at that thing. There were some other benchmarks things they showed where it was like 16 times more performant than basically the next fastest, at least in Node.js or something, and maybe 2 or 3 times as performant as the next like fastest C++ WebSocket library. So this particular library is supposed to be very modern, very light, very performant. WebSocket C++, and it's so modern that look at that, 2 months ago, 3 weeks ago, it's active development. Anyways, that's what I'm saying. Every Node WebSocket server library outside the wrapper for WebSocket is slow. What? Oh, yeah. I hear what you're saying. So all the libraries are slow except for the WebSockets thing. Wait, so Blossoming Petals, are you familiar with this library? The WebSockets thing? Have you used it before? Alright, let me see what wait, we gotta install some things. I think I need Visual Studio Community Edition or whatever, because I'm not a pro. I used this one a while back, so I thought you were on this page. Oh, right, yeah. This is... Oh, are these the claims? Yeah, I think this is the wrapper around that C++ library that we're going to use straight. Wait. Or are you saying maybe I should just use this instead of C++? No, but I actually want to do C++. Like, even if this is available, I think the business logic that I'd put inside the thing, it will get a lot slower if I coded it in JS versus C++, you know. But anyways, we're talking about trying to be performance and all that stuff, but we don't even know how to make the dang thing compile, man. So we're a little bit too far ahead of ourselves, I think. All right, let me install this junk. Let me hide my screen in case they ask me some crazy stuff. All right, we're installing. Well, I don't know what I need actually. What am I doing? I want to do C++. Should I choose this? Desktop development. I don't know, man. Sure. Dang, they're gonna install all these things? Sure. Maybe I should have done this before, you know. Before I started streaming. Trying NeoVim, man. I'm not a fan of Vim. I've used their bindings for a node, never built it myself. Alright, alright. How long is this dang thing gonna take? So I probably also need, what's it called? VCP package. I've heard people just say, just use this thing for stuff. Wait, Icy Black Deep, are you here? And if you are here, did you use? That's cheating? What do you mean that's cheating, man? Are you telling me I shouldn't use VC package or what? Everyone says like it's the way to go, you know. Sunrise Lo-Fi, how you doing? How's my night going? It's just getting started, man. Well, do I want to learn? I don't know if I want to learn about all this crazy stuff. Not a fan of Vim? Oh no. People are out to get me because I don't like Vim. Man, Vim is whack. I think I got all that time to remember all those key bindings. It's too much, man. I actually like moving my mouse. Helps me to gather my thoughts. Oh, what? Man, everybody out here likes Vim like that? Or even on Arch? No, man. I actually used Arch a long time ago. I've told this story before, but I probably used it for a couple weeks, and then one day my Bluetooth stopped working. And I was trying to listen to some music, man. I was like, what the hell am I doing messing with Arch Linux? When I can't even listen to my music, you know? This shit's whack. I spent like 2 or 3 days trying to figure out the Bluetooth drivers for that dang thing. And probably around day 3, I just uninstalled everything and went back to Windows. It was too much for me, man. I was trying to be too cool. Anyways. Wait, so Icy Black Deep, you're telling me I shouldn't use VC package because because I don't know why. I'm gonna use it, man. Wait, how hard is it to do without VC package? It's more like a language. You don't really memorize every key bindings. You learn patterns. Yeah. Well, all right. I don't have time to learn a new language, man. I'm lazy. You should learn Mac. Oh, you should use Mac OS. I got a Mac. I just bought a Mac. I just bought a MacBook Air M4. The stream will move along if you do it. Where's the joy in that, man? What do you mean? That is joyful in itself. I'm just trying to move along, you know. But I still don't know how to use VC package, so it's gonna be a little bit of a struggle. You know what I'm saying? We'll see how it goes. I really just want to build this WebSockets server and then go on to the React side and just connect to that WebSocket and just get like some type of simple response going back and forth. What are we doing tonight? We're trying to get a simple WebSocket server in C++ built and compiled. We're using this library, WebSockets. So right now I'm installing Visual Studio Community, which is taking a long time. Apparently C++ and Windows is challenging. Alright, it's moving along now. Wait, did I download this thing? Get started. Install. Isn't C++ by Microsoft? I don't know, man. I think C++ been around before Microsoft, yeah? At least that's what I think. It's not that it's challenging, it's that WebSocket doesn't include a way to build it on Windows. Huh. Oh, that sounds pretty challenging to me, man. Wait. What am I doing here? Did I just close that? I think I opened two of them. Do I even need to launch this thing? All right. Wait, first I need to do this thing here that they're telling me. Wait, if I get VC package, do I need all that Microsoft stuff? C++ was made by Bell Labs and however you say this guy's name in the 70s. Bojarn Strustrup. Yeah, I've seen his name before. There's actually a dang there's a banner of him on my floor at work. What am I trying to do? All right, what else? That's it. We're done. I gotta do this. Oh, I gotta know the path, man. I don't know the path. Is this my path? All right. All right, how does this work now? Let's try this. in this thing. No, wrong folder. Which thing should I be in? WebSockets. Oops. This one. You're on your own for a VC package? Oh no, man. Come on. You're gonna leave me hanging. It's alright, it's alright. Alright. Wait, have you used VC package, Icy Black Deep? Or anybody? What is the WebSocket going to be used for? It's going to be used for a my website, midnightsimon.com. Wait, nobody has used it before. Oh lordy. Well, we're about to learn it together. Alright, first thing, create a manifest file. Do I just hit them with this thing? And then what did that do, man? That made this junk right here. Alright, I think I can do not alright, what should I copy this thing? Wait. I don't know if... I think we made some progress. Let me just comment out everything from the old stuff. The WebSockets maintainer says, good luck, have fun building on Windows, and to just use VC package to install it as a dependency. So you're saying I'm doing the right thing. But wait, Icy Black Deep said he installed it on Windows, so... maybe there is hope if I can't figure out this VC package thing. I don't even know what VC package does. Alright, this is where he says it. Got it built. Dang, Icy Black Deep is a real one. Alright, here we go. If you want to just play around, you can get it from VC package at Microsoft provide. Read about VC package. It'd be something like that. Windows is heavily discouraged in general. Come on, man. Considered a second-class platform. So given per individual instructions for how you as an individual can get your setup working is out of scope for this project. On Linux, it's just make and you're there in seconds. Is that true, man? Should I just install a dang virtual machine? Ubuntu thing. Oh, I didn't include any of the optional stuff though. Last time I had to compile C on Windows, I just used the Zig compiler, much easier. Vimtim, what's happening? Man, Windows takes L's left and right in this chat. Man, I'm on Windows. I like Windows, but not for this project, I guess. Use WSL. Helios, what's happened? Last stream that I did this, I spent almost 3 hours trying to use WSL and nothing was working, man. We made some incremental progress, but in the end, we just couldn't get it to build. All right. So. Add executable. I don't know what none of this stuff is. But we're gonna have to modify this. Wait. I think I ran into an article by somebody. Let me just click on everything and see if... oh, this is the dang comment somebody linked about how Windows is a second-class platform. We're screwed, man. I might just bust out my MacBook Air and work on this. But first, let's at least give this VC package thing a try. I don't know how to try it though. Wait, the WebSockets make file should work on Linux, but you're on your own to make the defines right. Dang. Assign to swap to Arch? Nah. Oh, look at this. Oh, this guy's making a WebSockets tutorial for me. Crazy. Alright, this looks like his make whatever file, make list thing. Alright. Should I just copy this into here? That's all I am, man. A copy and paster. Copier and paster. I don't have any of that. What are y'all saying? C++ moment happening live? What does that mean, man? Wait, what's this called? Main dot... I don't know what I'm doing, man. Wait, let me go back to this thing. Run cmake build. Should I just type that and see what happens? Of course. Oh, I was trying this with WSL last time. I don't remember. What the hell, man? It's gonna be a tough whatever to solve problem for me. Make, oh, can I just delete that cache thing? Where's that make cache, whatever they're talking about? It's in here. Should I just delete this build folder? Is that safe? I'm gonna do it, man. What are they talking about? Do I put my file there? Oh shit. Something's happening, man. What has happened? It's crazy. No minimum requirement. What are you talking about? Could not find zlib. I gotta install that. Spetsnaz logic. Send me a message on wherever, Twitch, and I'll send you the Discord thing. Alright, you know, I read something about this too. I gotta install. How do you install? Is it like that? No. Is it like that? I'm just guessing all types of stuff over here. Alright, Spetsnaz logic. Have you sent me the whisper? Let me see. Where's my channel? that did something. Wait. Yeah, something happened. Oh shit. Yo, what the heck? I don't know. I'll send it to you after, man. Cause I don't know what the hell is going on. It's like it's copying. Alright, so what did I just do? I don't know what I just did. Spetsnaz logic. I tried to send you the link, but didn't work. But I'll get it to you after the stream, don't you worry. Alright, what's the next error? What is it saying? No project command is present. Okay. Okay. That's alright. That's alright. Getting somewhere. What's next? Could not find zlib, man. I just installed it. Right? Wait, should I hit them with that? Did I already do that? Does the linker know where the library is? I have no idea. Who knows? CMake should tell it. Or is... Wait, how? What do you mean it should tell it? Wait, what else did that person say? That's all I said? So this guy's just telling me the same problems I ran into. And so I added the libz dependency now it builds. What does that mean? How do you... do I have to add it here? Like... Who knows what he meant by that, or they. Could not find zlib. Everything sucks, man. Shall I just try this thing? I feel like, you know, you're cooked when the links are purple. What are you talking about, man? Anyways. Should I just try and see whatever happens? I don't even know what version I got. Let's see. Hey, how that found zlib, man, right? Or no, maybe it didn't. Maybe this is airing out. No, since that was before. Wait, Icy Black Deep, let me see what you're saying. When you set CMake toolchain file to use that, VC package takes advantage of the toolchain file mechanism to inject code to integrate with built-in CMake functions transparently to you. Now it doesn't like that WebSockets isn't built. What does that mean? We still gotta build WebSockets because it's looking for this thing? Man, maybe, I don't know what to do here. You should be good if you're using manifest mode. What is manifest mode? What do you mean? Manifest mode. Classic mode or manifest mode? Oh, I see. Well, thank you. Thank you for skimming. Any package arguments. Manifests. So I say use a. So I have a manifest thing, VC package.json. So I got the dependencies there. Transfer to. Oh man, maybe that's a good idea. How do you do that? It's already installed. Or do you mean to add it as a dependency? Or whatever that thing is. We'll see. Man, how the hell? Alright, maybe I should follow. Maybe it's just because I don't know anything about. Where's that? VC package tutorial or whatever. Get started. It's probably painful to watch, man. It's day 2 of 0 progression. Alright, I ain't reading all that, man. Let's see, where's a quick start or something? So we did this, we did that. Okay. Alright. Find package. And it can't find the dang package, man. Maybe it's like that, like npm install. Is it? Could that be it, man? What just happened? I don't know. Something happened when it did that, though. Let me do it one more time. All packages are currently installed. Oh, okay, so it's right there, man. What are they talking about? Right? I don't know what to do now. Somebody must have an answer out there on the internet, you know? I can't be the first person to be going through these struggles. Seems unlikely. Oh, Pixel Pusher. What's happened? Now we have to learn CMake and VC package. Keep? Wait, VC package keep? Alright. Hold on. Pixel Pusher. 1 second, 1 second. Are you talking about toolchain something? Do we need that? Didn't she say something about toolchain? Ice it back deep. Well, I mean, this guy's still having problems too. All right, let's do this. Let's do the type racer, and then we'll try and figure out some other stuff. Oh, lordy. It's a struggle out here, man. First race, warm-up, second race, championship round. Y'all ready? Here we go. Warm-up time. Oh, this is gonna be a fast warm-up. Pretty slow. You guys want to see my new camera? Look at that thing. Sony A7C. It's going to replace that camera. And then I'm going to take down the ZVE one and repurpose it. Anyways. All right, championship round. Here we go. Here we go. A7C is nice. Q, are you into cameras, man? How'd you know that? All right, let's do this. Dang, it's a long race. Yes, you are. Oh, interesting. Man. There's so many mistakes. Yeah, that was long and it was difficult. Whew. Anyways, Pixel Pusher, not surprised, 160 miles per hour. Nobody else got triple digits. All right, let's put that up on the board. And then let's figure out how the hell this VC package thing works. $160. That's the 65th win. Very nice, Pixel Pusher. All right. I don't know. Something about the tool chain, man. Or what? Oh man, everything's difficult out here. All right. Let me just compile with UWS. No, what are you talking about? Can you do that? All right, let me look up this C make VC toolchain. What does that even mean? Look, there's a whole section on it. VC package offers seamless integration with CMake to make installed packages available in your projects automatically. The mechanism in which VC package integrates is by providing a CMake toolchain file. Look at that. Huh. What is this? Yeah, that's what I want to know too. What is this? Wait, what did it say we gotta do? We gotta run. First time CMake configures the project, runs internal search routines to locate a viable tool chain. Search happens within the project function. Interesting. So it happens in here. What are you making? I'm trying to make a C++ WebSockets server compile, and I'm using a library called WebSockets, but I'm having a lot of difficulties. To customize the tool chain selection process, CMake supports using custom CMake language scripts known as toolchain files. A toolchain file is specified by setting the CMake toolchain file variable. CMake evaluates the contents of the provided toolchain script and sets variable definitions, paths to required build tools, and other parameters such as cross-compilation flags accordingly. When you set CMake toolchain file to use VC package toolchain, alright, so I gotta find this file here. Okay, so I need like something like this, and then we gotta set this to whichever. I don't know where it's at, man. Where did it say it was? Scripts? Okay. So CMake toolchain file is located. Do I have to escape things? Probably, because that looks funky. What did they say? Can I just put, can I put forward slashes? All right, let me try this, see what's up, man. If this works, I'm gonna go crazy. Every other line use, oh, right. So maybe I should, well, let me see first. Whew. Wait, should I just delete everything? Do I need this one? I don't know which one it's coming from, man. It's coming from the build file? What just happened? No. What'd I just do, man? Now you have all build. Wait, what does this mean? So just something happened, right? Is this good? Are we working? It's a Visual Studio project. Open it? Wait. Open it? How do you open that, man? With this thing, huh? Oh, shit. All right. Wait, I didn't tell it to build a Visual Studio project. Is that what VC does? VC package? Where'd it go? No, that's the wrong thing. All build is what you're saying I should hit them with? This is crazy stuff, man. Wait, so this CMake thing, it didn't actually compile anything, right? Like, maybe the solution file? Oh, jeez. Gave me fake news, man. The solution file. Oh yeah, I see it. All right. Copilot for free. Get out of here. All right, what am I doing? What am I doing over here? All build. How do I work this? Did I just hit build? Did I just press this button? Yeah. Yeah, sure. Let's build them. Build errors. Man, everything's so tiny here. How do I zoom in? Jesus Christ. Control scroll wheel? No, it only works in the text editor part. Oh, try Control Shift Plus. No. Because like everything is just tiny. Anyways, man, I got a lot of, we got a lot of build errors. I don't even know how to do this thing, man. I just want to build this, but nothing's working. Yeah, I don't know about the UI either. Alright, so what are these people talking about? Like, this is my first time ever using Visual Studio thing. Wait, what just happened? Etivium, thank you very much for that subscription, man. You know, I gotta add your name real quick. Thank you so much. Right there, boom, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. I think we made a little bit of progress. So that's nice. Should I continue reading this thing or should I just like freestyle? Wait, CMake. Wait. Got me back on the LeetCode grind. Oh man, LeetCode grind is fun. I'm not gonna lie. I miss it. I might study more LeetCode than I study currently. I'm only doing like 4 hours a week. I might bump it up to like 6-7 hours. CMake doesn't know or you didn't tell it about standards. Right click on the project on the right and hit properties. Oh lordy. What's the is this the project? Is this the project? Configuration properties, general, C++ standard. So you're saying I should use C++ 20? I don't know about 23, man. What does that do? Oh, the error says... Oh, so should I just try building it again? We're real close now, man. Look at that. This is as well. So what? All right. What are they talking about here, man? Cannot open file. So something's wrong with my CMake thing, is what you're trying to tell me now? We are so close. I feel it. I really do feel it. So it's saying it can't find, cannot, all right, enhance. It says, this is what it says. Cannot open file, WebSocket lib_a not found. So that, what does that mean? They're tripping. That's what it means, man. Time to Google it, I guess. CMake doesn't seem to be exactly happy. Yeah, it doesn't. All right, what is this? I don't know what to do. I got too many tabs open, man. That's what's happening right now. All right, so he's saying maybe I need to work on this thing. Yeah, this path doesn't look right to me. So let's change it. Do I even need that thing? That's gonna be in lib/WebSockets. Huh. Should I just do that? Let's see what's up. And then what? Now do I have to like, I don't know how any of this thing works, man. Should I delete this stuff and redo it? Like these CMake files? Can I do that? Do it one more time. Oh, wait. I don't know what this means, but like this feels a little bit sus, this whole part. I guess I'll just play with it and see what I can come up with. Should I just click yes? I don't know what all this is, man. I'm just clicking random things. All right. I think something ain't right here. Yeah. So find path. What's this doing, man? Doc say find path is searching for a path, but the result seems like it didn't. Oh, just put required. Just required like that. Let me see the documentation you're talking about. Wait, how do you... Required. Okay, so just like how I got it then. So now, if I just run the CMake build thing, uh-oh. Could not find the following files. Alright. Shit. How do I tell it? Like, where are we? You know, where's the... Man, should I just hit them with the absolute path? I think that's what they want. Wait, maybe paths? Dot dot? What do you mean? Alright, so this build file is in here, or this CMake thing. So alright, let me test something out. So that means it found something, right? Or did it not? I don't know. So, alright, where the hell? Maybe it does need absolute path. What's this called? WebSockets. I mean, for sure that file exists, you know. Could not find using the following files. Oh, maybe. I don't know what to do. WebSockets. Oh. It's right there, usesockets.a. This chat GPT, kind of, yeah. Wait, usesockets.usesockets.a? Alright, I don't know, man. The path reads C. Yeah. Yeah, because this is like escaped these things. Pharaoh 814, what's happening? Oh, so you're saying just put lib usesockets.a. Well, do you have to escape that? No, I don't think so, because this one worked. Alright, so you think I should just put the full path here like that and get rid of this? I can try that, man. Whew, something definitely just happened. What does it mean? But will it compile? Yeah. Don't know. Alright. We get a bunch of other errors. Wait, you should probably put the standard. Oh, how do you do that? Oh, I think I know how to do it. I just saw an example somewhere like this. Okay. Do I have to include those directories too? Uh-oh. I went down. Come on, man. Alright, YouTube, I'm sorry. I gotta stop and I gotta restart Twitch or OBS. OBS is tripping lately. Alright, am I back? OBS tripping out. Am I here? Or no, I'm not here. Who knows what's going on? Hello? Am I live? Or what? Oh, I'm live. Alright, alright. Wait, set scene. Yes, yes. So, alright. We got... still doesn't compile, huh? I forget what just happened though. Yes. Alright. So how do we build this thing? Oh, well, I don't have none of this stuff, man. I don't want... Can't just have like a regular thing without all these stuff. Now we got some linker errors. Alright. So, how do we know what the hell these errors mean? Because I can't even read them, man. It's crazy. And where is it airing out? It says main.obj. What the hell is that, you know? Should I do all build? what does this even mean, man? So what main CPP compiles to? Yeah, it doesn't compile to anything. Unresolved external symbol. How do we resolve those things? Unresolved external symbol. How do you pronounce kernel? Kernel. Unresolved external symbol. Build issues on Windows. Alright, if I can't figure this out, man, I might just switch to Linux just for this project. Wait. This is a bit old. Should I trust it? I don't know what all that means. They're too old, man. I don't think that's relevant. Wait. So what the hell? Jeez, I can't even read it, you know? US create timer reference in this struct loop. Let me try and figure this out, man. The link in the WebSockets is not working. You can check properties. Input. Yeah, so it has something there. It has that dependency there. It has a bunch of other dependencies. So does that mean it's all right? Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Maybe it's all right. Is there other things I gotta do here? This is tough. So this guy's, yeah, this is basically the same issue I'm having here. Issue might be related to no results. Great. The heck? Come on, man. Nobody knows how to work this thing. Oh, Q Ultimus. Thank you very much. You need to wait. All right, this is probably some good stuff on this site. All right, Q Ultimus. Let me put you up here. One sub. Thank you so much. 33 months. Jesus. Thank you, Q. All right. Back to reading this GitHub stuff. Oh, Clistar. Thank you very much. 25 months. The heck? Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, Clistar, thank you very much for the sub. Between me and Clistar, we have half 100. What? 50? Yeah. The US create timer, it says it can't find it is from the WebSockets library, so something must not be right. Yeah. What should I do? What should I do? Everybody's... Oh man, this guy really hates Windows. He's like, Windows as a platform is like 5% of my audience, so who cares about them? I don't know how VC package works. Oh lordy. I get an error if the compiler can't find the .a file, so we did point it right. So we're pointing it correctly, is what you're saying. It is there, but it somehow it's like something else is happening. So all right, link libraries. We're linking this thing, this A library, WebSockets.a, zlib. Anything else? Is that all we gotta do? Or do we have to put like WebSockets there too or something? Or do we have, do we need more include directories for this thing? I don't even know what I'm doing, man, but I'm just gonna try random stuff, see what's up. This is not the way to do it, probably. So at least we can check if that, where does it go? Language standard is good, yes. I just want to build, man. Tired of these errors. Invalid or corrupt file. Whew. Could this be a reason? What do you mean invalid or corrupt, man? Cannot read? Come on, what you talking about? That might be a problem, yeah. So maybe we gotta do something to build that thing. How, man, how do we get that? You know? Oh lordy, pets, hello world is in the house. Thank you very much for the raid, Pat. You're maxing out over there, man. What's up? How you doing? Did we build that in WSL? Yeah, we did, actually. Should we not do that? Should I do it again? I don't know how to build it without WSL, though. That's not the format. Alright. So, let me try and do some things. Pat, I'm struggling out here, man. I'm trying to build this dang C++ thing, and I don't even know where I'm going wrong. But Icy Black Deep is guiding me, or trying to guide me. I don't think I'm guidable. Alright, how the hell do we... Claude? No, I don't know if Claude can help me out here, man. How the hell do we build this WebSockets thing? Is that a good CMake file? Should just do CMake build? No, there's no CMake file, man. Wait, is there? WebSockets. Oh, there's a CMake file. Wait, where am I? Talking about what? Let's talk about what? No project name. Do we need a project name, man? Nah, we don't need that junk. Yeah, I don't know where I got this from either, but I didn't write that, that's for sure. Alright, so it says the build files has been written. What do I do now, man? Do you just type make install? No, I can't do that. Build them? How do you build them though? Do I gotta open up this project solution again and just build it? Or how do I do that from the command line, you know? Open the solution. Jesus. Hey, Pat, how are you doing? Are you still around? Were you maxing out? I was in there for your maxing out, man. I don't know what you're doing after that. Alright, let me open up this build thing. Max out the clash of code. I hope that's what that means. MS build. Oh, we can just hit that? Well, I don't know. Alright, here we go. I'm trying to build it. Error. Error. Cannot open include file. Jesus Christ, man. Why can't this thing just work? Dependency time? Wait, what does that mean? What do you mean? Jeez, man. What do you mean dependency time? Wait, what did I just click? Oh, I see, I see. uv.lib? Wait, what are you talking about here? The WebSockets library needs something to use as an event loop. So you need to compile libuv. Oh, wait. Wait. I know. You know, wait, I gotta be right back. I think I have the answer on my other computer. I think I need to install libuv. Hold on. Yeah, give me 1 second, man. 1 second. All right. I got something. You can probably VC package that stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'd love to do that. Let me try that. libuv. So it's like VC libuv. Come on, man. What are they talking about? What just happened? I don't think I can do it from this folder. Did I spell it wrong, man? No. Man, PKG. Okay, so now what's the thing? CMake. But then I gotta tell it to use a tool chain from here, right? Let me see how I did that real quick. Can we just VC package LibUSockets? Wait, how would I do that? I would hope we can, but I don't know how any of this stuff works. What time is it, man? We only got about 30 minutes left, but man, I feel like we're super close. So, what was I doing? Yes. LibUSockets. Oh, you want me to go all the way back there? Let me open up a new thing. VC. Man, how come this stuff? Oh, because I didn't add it to the path. I only added it to this shell's path, man. Jesus Christ. A little bit annoying. What do you want me to install? LibUSockets? Nothing. Doesn't exist. So does that mean we gotta build it? CMake build. Maybe just use sockets. It's already installed, man. So, alright. Does that mean that I just need to modify... Where the hell is this thing at? Yeah, let's try and do that. I don't know how to do that, but we can try it out, you know? Well, first things first. I'm about to delete this whole folder. And then second, I guess we can move this up one. And then now, let me look in here. So we hard coded this library, but we can probably just, you're saying use the other thing. So I just need to do like a find package. Like that. Required. And then how... So you're talking like that, man? Lib A? Is that what they're looking for? Or should I just put this exactly what they have there, like USocket? USockets, yes. You got a good eye. Oh wait, but look. I don't know. Should I just put everything caps? I'm gonna just try it, see what's up, you know. CMake build. What are you talking about, man? So, alright, how the hell do you run this CMake file? Maybe I shouldn't have moved it. Or do I delete all this junk? I don't know what that cache thing is. I'm about to just delete everything, man. I don't know what that debug thing is. I don't even know what any of these things are, but alright, there we go. I use CMake GUI? Man, they have one you didn't tell me? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. WebSockets. Okay. So this, we can't find this. So what should we do here? Should we just go back to what we're trying to build the library? Oh man, this is tough work. Alright, where were we at? This folder here. CMakes list. Maybe they want some of that. Oh shit. Alright, it built something. So I'm gonna go and open this solution again and see if we can build it. No, same problems. Same problems. I don't know what to do anymore. Use libuv. So I already installed that with that package thing. And now, alright, you know what I'm gonna try? I'm gonna try to just delete everything here in this build file, man. Wait, where's that make thing? In here? Yeah. I'm gonna just delete this whole build and try it one more time real quick. Let me close this. Alright, here we go, here we go. Whew. Oh, would that do anything good? Let me see if I already have it in my package. I already got it, man. Yeah, it's already a dependency here. Okay, so I just cleared everything and I rebuilt everything. Now, where's that folder at? It's in here, WebSockets, builds, and you're telling me I gotta open up this project solution. I just want to see it work. Just compile, and then we can actually start developing, man. That's all I want to do. All right, we got 27 minutes to figure this out. Otherwise, I'm installing a damn virtual machine, Linux virtual machine on here. That's my solution if this doesn't work. Man, what is he talking about? No such file or directory. Oh, you know what? You know what they're talking about, man? Jim 3838, what's happening? Maybe we gotta do the find package or whatever. All right, here we go. Find package. What do they want? I don't know. libuv. Yes, I do C++ every day, Jim. Well, I guess when I do web dev, I'm doing like TypeScript or something, yeah. So I have to include some stuff here too. Find path. No, we don't need that, huh? Norwegian Euler, how are you doing? I'm struggling. You need to do something to get libuv include directory. I don't know how. Yeah, I don't know how to do that either. Should we chat GPT it? Got so many tabs open. Give me a cmake command to find libuv include direct vcpkg. Config? What does that config mean? I don't know what config does, but I'm gonna type it anyways. Alright. Switches are so satisfying, thank you. This number of tabs reminds me when I'm developing my own stuff in C++. Yeah, why does it gotta be so hard, man? Errors. Uh-oh. So how come this works and then now it's not working? I think I should If you remove config, doesn't work. I was trying to make TCP protocol in C and C++ from scratch, but I couldn't fix the three-way handshake. Took help from all the LLM. Nothing worked. It sucks. Dang. Wait. Cannot find this package, it says. Probably use module. I don't know what that means, but it doesn't work either. How come it was working before, right? Now it's tripping. So I had that libuv. All right, man. Can I just get like a already compiled thing? How the hell did we compile that before? Can I just... Alright, what does makefile do? Can I just hit it with this makefile, like, just build? How do the make files work? Just type make, but I don't even, I guess you have to do that from a non-Windows. Anyways, is it time to just give up and install a virtual machine and develop from a virtual machine, like a Linux environment? Or what, you know? VCP++. All right. I need to search through the VC package files and find where it puts this stuff. And we just hard code the include directory. That's what you're trying to say? Installed. There it is. So what are you saying? How do I do that? I just include. Wait, but that's all right. It's a dot lib. What else was in there? Dot lib for Windows. Can skip compiling WebSockets for now. What does that mean? You mean like just hard code that where's that folder at, man? Where am I? Oh, here. VC package. I mean, there's a DLL include. So I just, alright. I just copy this path, man. And everything is okay. I don't know. Wait. Alright, Icy Black D, what are you suggesting here? Should we try and compile this? Or you think that's wasted efforts? We should just try and use... Are these? Alright. Let me go back to that folder. So we probably don't even need that stuff. And you're saying I should just link this WebSockets.lib thing somehow? If you could get this working to use libuv, you could just get yours working to use WebSockets. Alright, let's try it, man. Everything is so hard. Alright, I'm gonna just bold move to do this on Windows. Norwegian Oiler. That's what the package owner says. They're like, if Windows, you're on your own. I'm really considering just dropping it, man, and switching to something else. Wait, what are we including here? We're trying to find libuv. This thing. And we're gonna see if this works. Oh, wait. Oh, this is not part of the directory name. Yeah. Should I include the slash? What do you think? No? Maybe not. Oh, Jesus Christ. Here we go. One more time. Is this the right one? I don't think so. Alright, 13 minutes. Can we get this to compile in the next 13 minutes? That's what we're about to find out. Alright, WebSockets. Here we go. Build. Build a dang thing. What just happened? Did it work? How do I know? Wait, how do I find that thing? Where is it? This thing? Do I just use this thing now? I'm gonna delete that. What did it build? I'm gonna do it one more time. Well, maybe I shouldn't have deleted that. Rebuild. Run rebuild. Oh. So where are the files at, man? Or is it just gonna hit this usesockets.lib thing? But where's that file? You know, is it in here? Build. Who knows? Wait. Show you full path? Oh, yeah. Build, debug. I see. But do we want debug, man? I don't know, debug, man. Give me like the real thing. Or trying to build a release. Yeah? Alright, let's do it one more time. Release. Alright, so now we have this library. What do I do with this? Do I just include this here? Instead of the usesockets A, we want that lib thing. Is that what we're talking about? All right. Oh, Jesus. Usesockets build. What was it? Release. Builds. Release. Usesockets.lib. Oh man, not elegant, but it should work. What are you talking about? This is super elegant. All right, so I go here and I type cmake build. Oh, that's because I have some bootleg stuff in this thing. We don't need that. All right, now open that solution. Man, C++ on Windows, crazy. Is it actually working? Q, we don't know yet. We don't know. About to find out. I can't look. Nah, it doesn't work. Oh, wait. New bugs, though. Man, this shit never stops, man. Oh, you have to link lib uv. What do you mean I have to link it? Like, add it here? What's it called? Oh, Jesus. Wait. Link what? The library? Like this thing? I can try. But at least the errors are changing, so that's usually a good sign, you know. Would this have been easier in Visual Studio? I don't know how to use Visual Studio. Okay, so what am I trying here? I just rebuilt the thing. Let me open up. Come on, get that shit out of here. I don't know what that says. Alright, if this doesn't work, I might have to give up. Did it work? What does that mean for me, man? Stop messing with me. Wait, how do you run it? You just press this button? How do you run something, man? I have to do all build? What does that even mean? Access denied. Get out of here. Alright. I'm just gonna navigate here. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's working, man. Oh, it only took us like 6 hours to compile. Whew. But I feel like I know a little bit more about stuff. I know that I need Icy Black Deep in my corner to guide me. Alright, I didn't learn anything. What? Yeah, I learned how to hard code a bunch of linking library things together. Alright, so how can we really test this out, man? I guess we don't have time. Yeah, how do we use this now? I don't even know what the code says. Let's see. Back. We don't have these files, man. How's it listening? Oh, we can do a GET request on 3000. Let's try that. What the heck? It's working somehow, but I don't know what that means. That header feels too large, man. Get the hell out of here. So, should I try? I don't feel like compiling stuff again though. So a curl? Do I have curl, man? Does it come with my thing? I guess. What can I say? Things are working. Do you vibe code? Man, I'm not a good vibe coder. Hello world. Oh, nap time gammon. What's happened? Welcome to the party. Congrats. Thank you so much. Awesome to see someone learning while I'm working on learning. Yeah, I don't know if I was learning or struggling, but oh yeah, this was hard fought for sure, Q. I think we gotta get through these initial roadblocks and then free up the road, and then soon we can just cruise control. You know, what are WebSockets? I don't even know, man. I guess it's like a live connection, like a two-way connection that you can send data back and forth between client server with one single connection. Like you connect one time and then you know, like chatting. Yeah, I think that's like the usual project people start to understand WebSockets, like a chat room or something. You know, web wrench, man. Yeah, I know what you're saying, Q. Anyways, man, that was terrible. Such a big struggle. But I feel now like the next stream, Wednesday, we can start to try to connect to the socket with our React app and then go from there, you know. I like how it calls this an overly simple Hello World app. I mean, it is somewhat if if it compiles, right? It's just hello world and whatever. But yeah, I think the guy, whoever made this library, he's very he does stuff like this a lot. He's like, oh, trivial, overly simple, so easy. That, yeah. But man, it took me like 2 dang days to figure out how to compile this junk. Hopefully it's super performant, that it's gonna be worth it, you know. But like, why the hell doesn't it work here, you know? Request header feels too large, crazy. Oh, don't defense. Trying to do a little type racer before we go. All right, let's do it, man. And then, yeah, tomorrow, I'm not decided yet, but I've been thinking I might do a co-working stream tomorrow. I might work from home because I got some work to do, and maybe I'll hit like 5 or 6 Pomodoros tomorrow and just knock out all my work. But I'm undecided. It might not happen. I might just go into the office to get free food. All right, type racer, and then I'm out of here. So first race is warm-up round, second race championship round. Oh, Shubham Singh from YouTube. Sorry I missed your message. I was trying to make a TCP protocol in C and C++ from scratch. Oh wait, I think you came on Twitch to say this because I didn't read your message, man. My bad. All right, here we go. Type racer time. Don't look at my other laptop, man. Here we go. That was just the warm-up. Championship round coming up. Dang, Icy Black Deep 84. Oh, you guys want to see my new keyboard? I just got it last week. Nah, I'll show you next time. I don't feel like going to get it. It's not even built. It's just in the case, you know. All right, here we go. Championship type racer rounds. Y'all ready? I also bought a new chair today. Man, I made so many terrible mistakes. Dang, who's that guest? Who could that guest be, man? Is that Don't Defense who forgot to log in? Post a screenshot. Alright. I guess it's Don't Defense. Dang, so what was that, 110? Alright, let's do it. Yeah, no worries. Alright, let's add that to the Type Racer Championships board. And then I gotta get out of here, man. Feels good to finally get the dang thing to compile. What a struggle though, man. Wow. Anyways. Alright, so real quick, let me tell y'all something. Wait, where's my phone at? I just bought a new chair. So let me post it in the Discord. And then I gotta go. Here it is. Check out my new chair. So I got now 2 Herman Miller Aerons, man. Did you just post about buying a new chair a month ago? Yeah, I bought the Herman Miller Embody a month ago. And then now I bought another Aeron. So I got 2 Aerons. I'm growing. Yeah, I'm about to link it. How do you link it, man? Oh no. Open in browser. There we go. So I saw somebody post this and I couldn't resist. That it was it was $250 for this chair. This is the Herman Miller Aeron remastered. It has the forward tilts and all that stuff. So I have the Aeron Classic, the Herman Miller Classic, and I don't know how old it is. It's super old. Yeah, this is Herman Miller. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I bought it, man. Even though I don't even need a dang chair. I just got one. And then I bought the Embody a few weeks ago too. Let me see if I can find that one. I don't post that much in my Oh, here's the Embody that I got like a month ago. Herman Miller Embody. I got this one. Man, how much did I pay for it? I think I paid like $500 or something for the Embody. This is like a $2,000 chair. Yeah, I paid $500 for this. And so, alright. You wanna hear my chair collection now? Getting into Herman Miller's arbitrage now? Yeah. I'm not planning to sell them yet. And then this one here, the one I'm sitting in now, this is a Hayworth Fern, the Halo one. Halo edition. It's also a ballin' ass chair. It's like $1,500-$1,600 for this one. I have to say though, of all these chairs I got 4 high-end chairs in my house. My favorite is the Herman Miller Aeron. Even more than the Embody. Even more than this one, the Hayworth. Are you finding these great deals? Man, I'm always looking for deals, Q. But I buy my Herman Millers from my coworkers. Anytime somebody in the office is moving, they always post it for sale. And everybody already has a chair, so nobody wants them. So I just buy them. I scoop them up, man. Maybe I'll start flipping them. Well, if anybody in New York wants a Herman Miller, man, I got one for sale. $700. Great deal. Anyways, I gotta go. Should we hit LeetCoders or should we try and find somebody doing C++? Or what? What do y'all think? Oh, that's me. That's behind. Any new people doing LeetCode or anything? Should go raid Snowcone. Is she doing LeetCode? Probably. She has LeetCode in title. Alright. Adios, everybody. Thank you very much for tuning in. We gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go to bed. You guys hate her? I don't hate anybody, man. I don't know who's talking about hate. I mean, I probably do hate some people, but I don't hate Snowcone. I don't hate anyone in the LeetCode community. So I don't know what the beef is. I think it's old beef, maybe. Hate so many people, man. All right, I gotta go. See you later, everybody. Adios. Don't defense. Q Ultimus, Icy Black Deep. Have a good night. Thank you very much for all the help. Couldn't have done it without you, Icy Black Deep. Nap time, Garmin. See you later. Etivium. Enrosis. See you later, man. So what happens when you're Romanian? Well, you got hate. See you later, Enrosis. Pat, if you're still here. Everybody, all the lurkers. Adios, YouTube. And maybe I might see you tomorrow. But maybe not, you know. We'll see. It's gonna be a game time decision when I wake up tomorrow if I'm gonna work from home and Pomodoro or go to the office. See ya.